Hello, friends! Welcome! Have you ever wondered how grown-ups buy really big, amazing things, like a house or a car? It's kind of like they have a secret money superpower. Well, today, guess what? We're going to uncover that secret. We are going to find out all about a special tool called a loan. Are you ready to become money detectives with me? Let's go! Okay, just imagine this. You see it in the store, the coolest, fastest, shiniest race car set in the entire world. You want it so much. So you run all the way home, you grab your piggy bank, you shake it as hard as you can, and clink, clank, only a few little coins fall out. Oh no, that feeling when you really want something but you just don't have enough money for it? It's a total bummer, right? I think we've all been there. So, what do? But wait, don't be sad. What if I told you that for really big wishes, there's a special helper? A helper for things like a new house for your family or a brand new car. And nope, it's not a genie in a lamp. It's a place called a bank. And banks have this super special tool to help make those big dreams happen. And that special tool is called a loan. So, what's a loan? It's really simple. A loan is just money that you borrow from the bank. The bank gives you the money now, and you make a super important promise that you'll pay it back later. So see, it's just a big money promise. So how does this whole money promise thing work? It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, the bank gives you the money. Step 2, you get to buy your cool thing. Hooray! And step 3, you start paying the money back a little bit at a time, plus a little extra as a thank you to the bank for helping you out. Easy peasy. Okay, so it turns out there are a few different kinds of these money promises. Let's check out our first big idea. I call these safety first loans. This is for when the bank needs you to make a promise that's super duper safe for them. Imagine this. You want to borrow $5 from your friend. To show your friend you're really going to pay them back, you say, "Here, you can hold on to my favorite video game until I give you the money back." Now your friend feels super safe about lending you the money, right? Well, that's exactly how a safety-first loan works. The grown-up name for it is a secured loan. It's when you give the bank something valuable that they can hold on to, like a safety promise. And that safety item has a very cool, very special name. It's called collateral. Can you say that with me? Collateral. You got it. So what kind of stuff do people use these safety-first loans for? Well, usually for the biggest things, like buying a house for the whole family to live in, or getting a new car for road trips and fun adventures. Sometimes grown-ups even use something like gold as the safety item if they need money for something really important. All right, are you ready for big idea number 2? This one's really cool. What if you don't have a video game or gold to give as a safety item? Well, don't worry. That's when you use your promise power. These are loans where just your good promise is strong enough. A promise power loan is kind of like making a super serious pinky promise with the bank. You just promise them, "I will pay all the money back." And because the bank trusts you and your promise, they say, "Okay." Wow, how cool is that? Your promise has power. The real grown-up name for this is an unsecured loan. See? It's not secured with a safety item. The whole loan is just based on the bank trusting you and your powerful promise. No safety item needed at all. So what do people use these promise power loans for? Oh, lots of important things, like getting money to go to college and learn amazing stuff, or maybe for buying a new computer to do homework, or even a big new TV for family movie night. Sometimes it's just for getting a little extra money when you really need it. Okay, let's put these two big ideas side by side. So we have our safety first loan, where you give the bank a safety item, and then we have our promise power loan, where you just give the bank your good promise. Now, which one do you think is safer for the bank? Yeah, the one with the safety item. So the extra thank you cost for that loan is usually a little smaller. For the promise power loan, the bank is trusting you a lot, so the extra thank you cost might be a little bigger. See, it makes sense. And now for our last big idea. And I have to tell you, this one is my absolute favorite. Get ready for the super helper loans. These are extra special loans that help people do amazing things that make our whole country better for everybody. So, for example, have you ever thought about starting your own business? Like maybe the yummiest lemonade stand on your whole street? Well, there are super helper loans just for that. They help people start new shops and businesses that make our neighborhoods fun and exciting.
And get this, you know all the yummy fruits and vegetables on your dinner plate? Where do they come from? That's right, from our awesome farmers. And guess what? There are special super helper loans just for them too. They help farmers buy seeds and tools so they can grow all the delicious food that keeps us strong and healthy.
And you know, the best part about these super helper loans is that they're made to make sure that everyone gets a chance to follow their dreams and succeed. It's all about teamwork and helping everybody in our community. I mean, how nice is that? Phew! We have been on a huge money adventure today. You are all officially money smart. So, are you ready to remember the 3 big ideas we learned about? Let's do a quick recap.
Here are your 3 big ideas. Number 1, a loan is just a money promise you make with a bank. Number 2, some loans are safety first loans that need a safety item, and some are promise power loans that just need your good promise. And number 3, there are awesome super helper loans that help farmers and business owners do amazing things.
Okay, but before you go, I have one last super cool fun fact for you. Did you know that here in India, the government actually makes it a rule for banks to give out lots of these super helper loans? It's true. They do it to make absolutely sure that everyone, from the farmers growing our food to the small shop owners in our neighborhoods, gets a fair chance to build their dreams. Isn't that the best? Thanks for being amazing money detectives today. See you next time.